This is Praathuis. Welcome to AmsterdamVideo.com.
Good morning, y'all. It's Monday. Yep, the weekend is over and a new work week is starting. So I'm on my way to the office. The weather today is pretty awesome. It's sunny, it's dry, it's only 4.5 degrees centigrade, but as far as winter is concerned, well, it's nearly springtime. We are having a very mild winter this year, and I'm happy about that. No snow, no nothing. Yeah, good stuff. So yeah, as you can see, the sunshine is even on the buildings and everything. It makes me so happy. So very, very, very happy. But anyway, let's see what the day brings. Here's the intro, guys. Working on a customer's computer, making sure he can email again. It's lunch break, and today I'm having a nice ossenworst roll. And ossenworst freely translates to ox sausage. Time to work on another customer computer. And this here is a Packard Bell. Let's see. Some of these laptops have very strange power keys. This one does as well, it's here on the side. Anyway, it's powering up. So, here we go. And that concludes the workday. Time to head back to HQ to little Miss Chibi. Hey, it's SpongeBob Round Pants. Oh guys, can you believe this marvelous weather in February? 11.5 degrees centigrade. It's really springtime now in the middle of winter. Oh, now you can see the A9 motorway running right through the village. Normally it's quite well hidden. And in a couple of more years, there won't even be a A9 motorway running through the village anymore, as they're going to redirect it around the village. It's a drive through the park. No, it's not as green as it is in the summertime, but still, it's pretty neat. Back at HQ, and it's Chibi with daylight. The little that is left, but still. Let's light her up a little bit. Hi Chibi, my dear. Yes, hi. Haha, sweetheart. Yeah! Oh, cutie pie! Cutie, cutie, cutie pie! Yeah! Cutie, cutie, cutie pie! Cutie, cutie, cutie pie! Yeah! Hi, sweetums! Hi, Miss Sweetums! Hiya! Hi, sweetie, sweetie, sweetie! Haha! Cutie pie!